Okay, so I don't know if other people experiencing the same problem as I just did, but I tried to log into Apex Legends, and when I went to log in, instead of the little button to tell you to continue, it said unable to, this profile is unable to log into EA. So it would do this, but then right here you get the black marking, and it'll tell you this profile is unable to log into. So what I'm gonna do, I just fixed it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna back out, and I'm going to show you what I did to fix this problem, because for a minute there I thought I was banned or something, but that wasn't the case. So you want to go to settings. You want to go to settings. You want to come over to network settings. You want to hit network settings. Then you come down to advanced settings. Click on that advanced settings. Then you click your alternate MAC address. It's going to look like this. And you're going to hit clear. You're going to clear that. Then after you do that, you're going to come down to alternate port selection. You're going to click on that. You're going to click on manual, and you're going to click on it to bring down this, and you're going to come all the way down to the last one, and then click on that, and then hit continue. And that's what I just did to get Apex Legends be able to get in. I don't know what reset where, but it was like a little bit of a headache, and I wanted to make sure people know how to get through there. But yeah, it's pretty scary when it says this profile is not allowed to play on EA servers or whatever the message was. I should have started it. I should have started it when I went to clear it and clean it up. I should have started the video then, but I didn't. But if you get that, this is what you do, step by step, and this is going to be on my Instagram, and not my Instagram. It's going to be on my YouTube and my TikTok. Take care, everybody.